Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Pelangi Bening Rinjani, student ID number A5102000310 from the Primary School Teacher Education Study Program, Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. Today I will show the result of the presentation that I have made with the theme COVID-19 pandemic. At the time of my presentation, it is expected that the audience will focus on the material I convey. If anything is unclear, please ask at the end of the presentation. Coronavirus. Coronavirus is a virus that attacks the respiratory system. This disease due to viral infection is called COVID-19. The coronavirus can cause minor disorder of the respiratory system, severe lung infection, and death. This virus is transmitted through sputum droplets from the respiratory tract, for example, when in a crowded classroom with poor air circulation or direct contact with droplets. Coronavirus infection is called COVID-19 and was first discovered in the city of Wuhan, China at the end of December 2019. This virus is spreading very quickly and has spread to almost all countries, including Indonesia, in just a few months. Symptoms of coronavirus. In general, there are three general symptoms that can indicate a person is infected with the coronavirus, namely 1. Fever or body temperature above 38 degrees Celsius. 2. Hacking cold. 3. Hard to breathe. There are several other symptoms that can also appear in coronavirus infection, although they are less common, namely 1. Diarrhea. 2. Headache. 3. Conjunctivitis. 4. Loss of taste ability. 5. Loss of the ability to smell. And 6. Rash on the skin. Cause of the coronavirus or COVID-19. Coronavirus infection or COVID-19 is caused by a coronavirus, which is a group of viruses that infect the respiratory system. In most cases, coronavirus cause only mild to moderate respiratory infection, such as the flu. However, this virus can also cause severe respiratory infection, such as pneumonia, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, and severe acute respiratory syndrome. A person can catch COVID-19 in various ways, namely accidentally inhaling the droplets that come out when a person with COVID-19 chokes or sneezes, holding his mouth or nose without washing hands first after touching an object that has been splashed with the saliva of person with COVID-19, and close contact with a person with COVID-19. Next, complication of coronavirus or COVID-19. In severe case, coronavirus infection can cause the following complication. 1. Pneumonia or lung infection. 2. Secondary infection in other organs. 3. Kidney failure. 4. Acute cardiac injury. 5. Acute respiratory distress syndrome. And 6. Death. Coronavirus treatment or COVID-19. There is no truly effective drug to treat coronavirus infection or COVID-19. Treatment option will be tailored to the patient condition and severity. Some patients with mild or no symptoms will be advised to carry out an independent home isolation protocol while still taking steps to prevent the spread of coronavirus infection. In addition, doctors can also provide several steps to relieve symptoms and prevent the spread of the coronavirus, namely 1. Referring severe COVID-19 sufferers to undergo treatment and quarantine at a referral hospital. 2. Provide waiver and pain reliever that are safe and in accordance with the patient condition. 3. encourage sufferers of COVID-19 to carry out independent isolation and get adequate rest. 4. Encourage sufferers of COVID-19 to drink lots of water to maintain body fluid levels. Case of corona in Indonesia to this day reach 176 million, consisting of recover 162 million and die 48,887. Coronavirus prevention. 1. Apply physical distancing, which is to maintain a minimum distance of 1 meter from other people and don't go outside the house first unless there is an urgent need. 2. Use a mask when doing activities in public places or crowds, including when you go shopping for groceries and attend worship on holidays, for example, Eid al-Adha. 3. Routinely wash your hands with soap and water or hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol, especially after doing activities outside the home or in public place. 4. Do not touch your eyes, mouth, and nose before washing your hands. 5. Increase endurance with a healthy lifestyle, such as eating nutritious food, exercising regularly, getting adequate rest, and preventing stress. 6. Avoid contact with sufferers of COVID-19. People who are suspected of being positive for the coronavirus, or people who are sick with fever, choke, or runny nose. 7. Cover mouth and nose with a tissue when jogging or sneezing, then throw the tissue in the trash. 8. Keep clean objects that are often touched and the cleanliness of the environment, including cleanliness of the house. And the last one, conclusion. The conclusion is that we should not underestimate this corona because it does not only affect ourselves but for those closest to us. So we must implement the 5M health protocol. Wearing a mask, washing hands with soap and running water, keep distance, staying away from crowds, and limiting mobilization and interaction. Before my presentation close, do you have any question? If there is no, I end it. Thank you for your attention. More or less sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.